Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to pair Google Messages with another device. As of May 2025, Google Messages offers two primary methods to pair your Android phone with another device, such as a computer, tablet, or secondary phone, allowing you to send and receive messages seamlessly across devices. The first method is to pair via Google account, no QR code required. This method enables you to link devices using your Google account credentials, eliminating the need for QR code scanning. On your Android phone, open the Google Messages app, then go ahead and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then once you tap on that, go ahead and select device pairing from those options where you have your profile archived, spam and blocked, mark as all as red, device pairing, your data and messages, message setting, help and feedback. So select device pairing. So use your phone number to send and receive messages on device sent to you. So how to pair or pair devices? Okay, so pair devices 0. Now choose the Google account pairing. Okay. Then open a web browser and navigate to messages.google.com/web. I'll go there again, messages.google.com/web. Sign in with the same Google account used on your Android phone. On your phone, you will see a prompt with 3 emoji. On your computer or tablet, select the emoji that matches the one displayed on your phone. Once matched, your devices will be paired and your messages will sync across them. This method allows pairing with multiple devices, but only one computer can be active at a time. Number 2, pairing via QR code. This traditional method involves scanning the QR code to establish a connection between the devices. How do you do that? Open a web browser and go to messages.google.com/web. Then a unique QR code will be displayed on the screen. Now open the Google Messages app, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, select device pairing. Now once you get in here, select switch to QR pairing. And once you do that, go ahead and select QR code scanner. And once you click on QR code scanner, that's it. You'll be able to scan the QR code displayed on your computer or your tablet. Now remember, when you want to switch to Google account pairing, that's for the first one, the first option, Google account pairing, ensure that you get to this part where it says QR code. So head over to your messages, click on your profile picture and select device pairing, then select pair devices, how to pair devices, then select switch to QR pairing, then select switch to Google account pairing. This is where you go. So once you click here, switch to Google account pairing, then on your web browser, click on enter messages.google.com/web. Then you see the prompt with 3 emojis on your computer. Just select the emoji that matches the one displayed, and once it matches, the device will be paired. Or click on QR code scanner and scan manually. So once the QR code is scanned, your devices will be paired and your messages will be accessible on both devices. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.